In this video, we'll go through two different ways to adjust the ping rate on an asset tracker. Start by logging in to the Ford Pro Telematics website. After logging in, select Live Map in the top banner menu. From the Live Map page, click on the Asset Trackers tab and search for the asset tracker you want to adjust. Then select it. In the asset window that appears over the Live Map, click the blue Go to Asset Overview button. In the Asset Overview window, scroll down to locate the ping rate section in the bottom left corner. Adjust the ping rate for when the vehicle is moving or stopped by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting one of the available options. After you select the new ping rate, a banner will appear on screen confirming a request to update the ping rate was sent. Keep in mind, changes made to an asset tracker's ping rate do not take effect immediately. They may take up to 24 hours to update. The other way to adjust ping rates starts on the Live Maps page under the Asset Tracker tab. Select the Edit Ping Rates button at the bottom of the Asset Tracker list. From the Edit Ping Rates page, you can either search for the specific asset tracker you want to adjust, or use the drop-down menus to filter by type of asset tracker. To adjust a single asset tracker, locate it on the list and use the drop-down menus in the ping rate columns to choose your rate. When you've made your selection, a banner will appear on screen confirming a request to update the ping rate was sent. If you want to change the ping rates of multiple asset trackers at the same time, use the checkboxes in the left side column to select all the trackers you want to update. Then click the Edit Ping Rate button to the far right. An edit modal will appear on screen. All the trackers you selected will be grouped together by their battery type. Each battery type has different defaults and ping rates you can select. Use the drop-down menus under each tracker type to select the new ping rate for stopped, in motion, or scheduled. When you've made your selections, click the Confirm button. A banner will appear on screen confirming a request to update the ping rate was sent.